Hello, hi. My name is Ashrin from DNSVault. We'd like to share with you about our product called DNSVault. It's a secure and high performance DNS. DNS is stand for Domain Name System. It's a backbone of the internet. It's a critical service, internet services, which is to translate the URL, for example, mail google.com into internet IP. So if a DNS is not responding, you won't be able to connect to other website on the internet. So if the DNS cannot translate the domain name to the correct IP address, you won't be able to access to any website actually. So we are working on this DNS services. So currently we have a complete DNS security solution. We have our own appliance, and we develop the software with centralized management, and we also can mitigate the DDoS attack. And it is a high performance appliance which is can support up to 100,000 DNS query per second. So we already passed the common criteria certification EAL2, and we also support the hybrid DNS environments. The hybrid DNS environment is actually we have a centralized management to manage appliance and node on cloud node together in a single dashboard. So this is our ecosystem right now. We have a complete solution which is include also the analytics and centralized management with the appliance. So we have a complete solution for enterprise. So that's straight to the demo. Okay, this is our main dashboard. So we can see the resources for the central management, and we have here two nodes here on the customer data center. So actually this central management is on cloud, and the two nodes here below here is a physical servers. It's a client actually at the data center. So you can see here is a modern, we have a modern GUI here. Okay, so let's see here, we have a fabric management. That means we can manage multiple platform. If you have different site in globally, so we can manage the whole platform in any each side of the country. So we go to the node management. Is actually the physical servers that we can manage for each servers here. We have for the demo I show just two nodes here. So we can see all the details about the system and about the system details, and also we can see the security settings. And for the security, we have a complete DNS protection already here. So it is very secure to be used in banking sectors or even in campus network. So okay, let's go and to the service management. This is actually the core system, which is to manage the domain name system. So we have an overview for the domain name. As we can see here, we have how many queries per day, and the queries per week, and we have a query per second pattern. It's very useful for the administrator to see any abnormality. And also we have security here. Security is more like uh, what we have, or do the blacklist to protect the internal users from accessing any malicious website. So we have a top 10 malicious website here from the queries that we collect daily. And also we have the source IP for the PC that affected, the users that is try to connect to the blacklist. And it's very useful to do the cleanup for the each workstation. And we have availability performance, and this TV mode actually we can put the big screen on the wall for the security operation center to see the real time about what is happening in the DNS system. So this is how we manage the domain name. Okay, so this is, for example, the host. So we have a search function here so that we can search each domain name easily. And we have DNS security extension, which is we just can enable it. We call it one click button. This DNS security extension is very complex to implement, but we simplified it with a single button. Just you switch on it, and you are in a DNS security extension mode. So it's very easy for administrator to enable the DNS security extension for them. So I think that's all that I can share right now about our system. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you next time.